Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how can we generate these kinds of animations for free. So let's get started.
Open any browser and search for ChatGPT. Because we need to generate a prompt to generate an image of a person in Leonardo AI. Now, you should describe ChatGPT that you want a prompt to generate an image of man like this. After the prompt has been generated, copy it and go to Leonardo AI. Now click on AI Image Generator and paste your prompt here. Regenerate images until an image which you like is generated. I will use this image. Open a new Chrome window and search for DID AI. After you come to this site, you should sign in first. After you have sign in, click on this Create Video. And you should upload your downloaded image here, or you can use these templates. Once you have uploaded your image, it will appear in here. Now we should add a voiceover to our image to bring life to it. For that, open a new Chrome window and search for VoiceMaker in. This is a free text-to-speech converting website form. Here you can change the language, and from here you can change the voice. In here, you should type your text to convert it to audio. Once you have done that, click on this Convert Speech, and you can listen to the audio and you can download it from here. After you have downloaded the audio, select this Upload Voice Audio and upload your audio file like this. And now click on Generate Video. Click on Generate. Once the video has been generated, you can click to see a preview. Once you are satisfied, you can click on this Download Your Video, and it will be downloaded into your PC.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. You have learned something from this video. Please give a like to the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.